The footage you just looked at was not shot with the DJI Air 2S. It was actually shot with this little bad boy here, the DJI Mini 2 with an ND16 filter on. I thought the DJI was going to release the Air 2S on the 27th of April. And it so happens they didn't. As you know by now, it's the 15th of April, and I thought I would have been back by the 27th, or at least a day or two later, and I would pick up the drone and start making tutorials in time for you guys. And that didn't work out as planned. Now, if DJI, if you're listening to this, had you sent me the Air 2 early, I would have had it, brought it on this wonderful vacation, and had wonderful tutorials and footage to share with everyone. But not a big deal. It is what it is. What I'd like to find out from you guys is, are you flooded with enough Air 2S videos? Do you really want me to start filming videos and tutorials and giving you my opinion on it? Or is it something that you know enough about and you kind of made a decision already? Hit up the comment section and let me know, guys. If you guys are not really interested in the Air 2S video, like I look in the comment section below and I don't really see you guys being vocal about it, then I'm left to think you guys are not really interested and you've seen enough on YouTube already. If you guys are really interested in it, you're really interested in the videos, I'll definitely won't return the Air 2S and I'll make videos for you guys. It's not that big of a deal. I just don't want to purchase the drone and make videos if you guys are not really interested. So hit up the comment section and let me know if you guys really want those videos, so I'll know if I should keep it or not. Everything is for you guys, right? To benefit, to get better, and to improve your skill, and to share my experiences with you guys so you can learn, understand, see, share, that kind of fun stuff. Make sure you hit thumbs up, guys. Let me know what's going on in the comment section, and I will catch you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.